Say your data feed isn't delivered on time to your FTP. In the meantime, your new employees need access to the system, so you create an account for them to begin taking their new hire training. When the feed runs again, a new account is created because you didn't have their user ID before. The employee begins taking training in their new account, but has completed training in their old account already. Using the data merge training tool, you can consolidate two accounts in situations where a learner has duplicate user records. In this course, we will explore how to use the data merge tool to merge accounts, review the history of completed merges, and understand the associated rules of the data merge tool. To access the data merge page, navigate to Admin, Tools, Learning, Training Tools, and Data Merge. In the User Criteria section, select the user account from which the training records will be transferred. The From User account can't have more than 50 training items total, so if you're not certain which account should be your From account, that limitation might help you decide. Next, select the To User account, which is the destination account where the training records will be added. Once you've selected a user account, you'll be able to see their information, like OU, email address, account type, and status. If you've accidentally selected the wrong account while setting up your merge, click the X to the right of their name and start again. Use the Deactivate this account after merge checkbox to select which of the two accounts should be deactivated once the merge is complete. Click the Preview button to see all the training that will be added to the To Users account after the merge is complete. The Data Merge tool won't merge training items that already exist on the recipient account, including equivalencies, other versions of the training, and trainings used in certifications. Once you've reviewed the information and you're ready to begin your merge, click Submit. The data merge is asynchronous, so you can move on to other areas of the system while the merge is happening. At the bottom of the data merge page, the History section displays a history of completed data merges. This includes the name of the admin that created the merge, the user ID of the account that donated the training, the user ID of the account that received the training, the date and time the merge occurred, the number of training items that were not merged, and the current status of the merge. Selecting the number in the Unmerged column opens a pop-up that displays all training items that were not merged to the recipient account for a data merge. These are the training items that already existed on the recipient training record, perhaps in a different status, version, or registration number. There are a few rules to keep in mind when using the data merge tool. The first is to only merge user training records when the donor account has no more than 50 items on their transcript. The second is if the same training item is listed on both training records, the one in the recipient account remains, and the one in the donor account is not merged, regardless of the status, version, or session of either course. Third, if the recipient account has a completed course that is an equivalent to a course in the donor account, the course is not transferred. Finally, training that is transferred from one user record to another will restart the approval process based on the settings associated with the recipient account. Now that you've learned how to complete a data merge to consolidate duplicate accounts, test it out in your practice or pilot portal. Along your journey, see online help for more details on using the data merge tool.